I'm going to show you how you can use LinkedIn Sales Navigator for lead generation. Now, LinkedIn Sales Navigator is a premium feature, so you will have to start a free trial, or you can also get a premium plan and pay if you'd like. If you want to start a free trial, you can tap on here to start your free trial on your Sales Navigator, and then this is what it will look like here, right? So LinkedIn, and then after that, you can tap on Try Sales Navigator here. You can pay as little as here when billed annually, but we can try right now here. So when you try, you will probably be asked to add a credit card, see a credit card, or you can also do PayPal if you'd like. But again, this is still a free trial. But after you have entered in a free trial, this is what it will look like. Once you have get acquainted with the sales generator, now if you want to add a lead, you just have to pick a person by checking it on the number 1 there, and then you want to tap on save list on number 2 there, and then you want to tap on plus on number 3 there, and then you want to use any leads you'd like. So for example, right now I'm using JP's lead list, right? Now once you have added that, you can see you can go to the lead list on the top there, and then you can tap on my test list here to actually see what kind of leads you have. So you can see right now there's my test list. I have 23, and there's also recommended leads that system generated that has 100.